super round. See? I'm like 6 foot. That thing is like boom, boom. Well, my GPS decided to take me down a road that's closed. I saw whatever. Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome to the channel. Yeah, we're heading out to an interprovincial park today. Cyprus. I love the place. It's gonna be a foggy one, a little bit of a foggy drive, but we're also gonna stop at a place on the way. This place is killer. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but people that live in southern Alberta will probably know where I'm going. Maybe. But anyways, I'm gonna drive, pay attention to the road. Roads are a little slippery, and it's getting a little foggier as I head east. So I will see you when we get to the place. All right, have a good one. Hey everyone, I finally made it to where I was heading. This place is kind of cool. I've been here a couple times. It's been a minute since I've been here, but I'm at Red Rock Coulee. This thing's pretty cool. Red Rock Coulee has a diversity of features, from barren slopes to native grasslands and plateaus. The main feature is a large area exposed bear paw shale, out of which appears dozens of sandstone concretions. These asteroids range in size from 1.5 meters to 2.5 meters diameter and are exposed to varying degrees of soft bedrock. Yeah, there's these red rocks that are all over the place. This place is pretty cool. I'm just going to tell you right now, excuse the wind noise. It is a little bit on the windy side today, so I'm hoping my mic will do its thing, but we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna walk around too much. It's looking a tad bit icy, so we're gonna go check it out. Maybe I might go down there. That looks okay, but we'll see. Check it out. I don't know if you can see all the rocks down there. There's a couple over there. Yeah, I don't know. She's getting a little windy. Maybe I'll lock up my truck. Maybe we'll go for a little bit of a walk. I'll be back in a sec. All right, I'm back. I had to swap out my jacket. That wind is it's gonna kill me a little bit. It's a little windy. But we're gonna go for a short walk down here. It's not too bad. We're gonna see how the terrain is. It's looking a little bit little icy down here, so we're gonna see. That's a little crunchy. But this place is pretty cool. All right, that's a whole lot of ice right there, but we're gonna see if I can navigate without eating it. Oh yeah, all right. See, there's one of the boulders, or whatever they're called. They're like, some of them are like super round. See, I'm like 6 foot. That thing is like boom, boom. It's almost as tall as I am. Some of these are pretty crazy. Yeah, this is pretty crazy terrain and stuff. I think there's some pretty cool views around here. Yeah, you can pretty much walk all the way around here. It's pretty all right. All right. Chilly, very chilly. All right, I think I've had enough of this wind. It's, I don't know, cold weather doesn't bother me much. It's when it's a little on the windy side, it gets a little bit much. Pretty awesome. I love it. Right, let's get back to the truck. Here's a big one. Yeah, this is awesome. All right, I'm gonna get going. I'll see you in a bit. Alberta. Yeah, I've got about another hour, so I'm gonna get there at 1 o'clock. All right. Well, my GPS decided to take me down a road that's closed. I saw a sign that says road closed for winter, but it doesn't really block you up. It lets you keep driving. So I was like, okay, maybe that's an old sign, but I don't know. This road's getting pretty terrible right now. So I'm gonna have to drive back and find a different road to go down. Oh, here goes a bump. All right, hopefully I can get back onto the highway. I should have went that way in the first place, but yeah, we're gonna see. All right, I'll see you at the... All right, there we go. It's all set up. Awnings up. It's not gonna be really super cold, but I threw the heater in there anyways. Got my fire pit. Hopefully that's gonna work for what I want to do tonight. We're gonna figure it out. And then I got my seat. I think we are good for beer 30 now. So I'm gonna grab a beer and then I'll see you then. All right. All right. This is a much needed beer 30. All right. Nothing special, the usual. This is Spectrum White Chocolate Stout. After Red Rock Coulee, I was supposed to go to Risson Hat. I was going to stop at a liquor store to pick up something new, but my GPS decided it was going to take me like a rigmarole. Honestly, that trip took me way longer than it should have. It should have been like 3.5 hours. It's usually 2.5 for Lethbridge, but because I took the detour, that probably tacked on an extra hour. So yeah, it took me like an hour longer than it did. It was just a gong show. I need this. Cheers. Apparently I can't miss aim for my mouth, so I'm really hoping my fire pit's going to work for me. The problem is I have a grate, and if I put the grate on it, it's going to stop me from being able to put wood in it. So if I can get the fire hot enough, I think I might be able to throw it in there and cook it for an hour, I hope. Unfortunately, it's not hardwood. It's pretty much pine, so it burns really fast. Yeah, so that was a gong show. Whew. If you guys like these videos, subscribe, comment, like, share the video. That would be awesome. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Patreon. If you want to support me, that would be awesome. All right? I'm going to hang out for a bit, and then I'll see you guys when I make supper. All right? Have a good one. Bye. having an issue. This, I overcooked, unfortunately. We're going to soon find out how this tastes. And then I'm going to hop in the back of the truck and relax for the rest of the night. Yeah. Here we go. Potatoes are overcooked, unfortunately. That's what happens when you don't really have, you can't really put it over the coals because you always have to feed the wood in. So it's kind of a pain. They taste not bad. They're not my best ones. I picked up the wrong potatoes. It's probably my girlfriend calling. It was not. I don't know who it was. It was a different one. But anyways, I'm going to eat this up. And I'll see you inside the truck. I'm going to hang out. Maybe have a little bit of fire. Alright? Have a good one. Oh. Hey everyone. Oh, that wasn't really the best supper in the world that I made. The steak was pretty good. Potatoes were... They were terrible. I don't think that was the proper potato for what I was doing. The russet, I don't think it just turned out very good at all. But you know what? It happens. I was in kind of a rush. Stuff went sideways after I left Red Rock Coulee. GPS decided to take me down a wrong road. I ended up on a road that was closed for the winter, and it was getting sketchy. And yeah, I finally made it here. It took me forever, literally. So, yeah. I'm gonna watch a movie. I think I haven't seen Black Hawk Down in a very long time, but I also have A Knight's Tale, True Romance, Young Guns, classic. I don't know. We're gonna see. I got lots of time before I go to bed, so I might watch a couple. Black Hawk Down definitely is the one. So I will, I'll see you in the morning. I'm not gonna make coffee. I totally forgot my coffee cup at home. So I'm just gonna stop into Medicine Hat and grab a coffee on the way. It's only like literally 30 minutes away, 25 minutes away, give or take. So yeah, I'm gonna close it out here and I'll see you in the morning. Holy moly. Alright everyone, time to go. I'm out of here. It's kind of a bummer, but it clears the bill out. I could have easily imaged last night, but it was definitely snowing last night, so see, I'd like to get my imaging rig out, but this winter's not really been very cooperative. Alright, I'm gonna close it out here. Heading out. It's really early. It's like 6:20 in the morning. I don't know. I never can sleep in when I'm out camping. I'm always up like super early. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one.